As we're all dealing with, the COVID-19 pandemic has had an incredibly interruptive effect on a lot of student institutional memory about some of the projects that we hold most dear. So as you've noted, the last time that the service trip was publicly documented was 2013, which means that most of the individuals who were on the board at that time have long gone from Harvard. And so that's always the difficulty of being a student organization. We felt that the need was to create something that we could ensure would be sustainable based on our current capacity and based on our current connections. So as we've discussed previously, Marky and Miguel Antonio's family is from Dumaguete, which means that we hope to and expect to have long-lasting partnerships with Suleiman in the future. So in that way, the mentorship program that we're beginning now, we can ensure, based on the vitality of these connections, we'll be able to endure even should there, hopefully not, but should there be another incredibly disruptive force like the COVID-19 pandemic in the future.
Doesn't mean we've cut connections with a lot of these organizations. For this year, our thought was really that how can more sustainable and long-standing community service be done if there's no education on Philippine culture and what it truly is like and what the issues really are? And hearing directly from the students and hearing directly from the organizations and the people we've met, experts on these issues, will really help us think in the long term how we can better make impact. Especially in this service trip, we only have about 2 weeks. And so going forward, we're really hoping to use this knowledge to create, those long-standing service opportunities, like you mentioned, and hopefully extend it broader.